Morning, fellers. Welcome back to Master Designs. Tonight we're going to draw Pairis from Dinosaur King. One of the gentle duck-billed giants from Dinosaur King. And also recognized as a Parasaurolophus. One of the best dinosaurs from the Cretaceous. I always thought that her name was Parasaurolophus, but I was wrong. It's actually Parasaurolophus. I was actually saying it wrong. Sorry I had to say that out loud. But anyway, I'm fulfilling my promise to draw dinosaurs for you guys. That's exactly what I'm gonna do. You had a long special. I will not stop until they're all complete. And there she is. Alexa, what is Parasaurolophus?
Parasaurolophus is a genus of herbivorous hadrosaurid ornithopod dinosaur that lived in what is now North America and possibly Asia during the late Cretaceous period, about 76.5 to 73 million years ago. It was a herbivore that walked both as a biped and as a quadruped. 3 species are universally recognized: P. walkeri, P. tubicin, and the short-crested P. sirtocrostatus.
Anyway, that's how you draw Pairis from Dinosaur King. Please like your rock and subscribe to my channel, and let me know what dinosaur you want me to draw next. Stegosaur, see you later. Good night.